Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to doctor and my fellow friends. My name is Syafiqah Binti Sauda and my metric number is S55719. And today I'm going to present about my industrial training organizations, that is the Consulate of the Republic of Indonesia in Tawau. For everyone information, the Embassy of Republic of Indonesia is in Kuala Lumpur and there are 4 consulate generals, that is in Johor Bahru, Penang, Kuching Sarawak, and Kota Kinabalu in Sabah, and 1 consulate that is in Tawau. Consulate Republic Indonesia in Tawau are located in Taman Megajaya, Lorong 10, Tawau, Sabah, and people can get into the consulate by using the public transportations or their own vehicles. The government of the Republic of Indonesia, through the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, established the Consulate of the Republic of Indonesia as the consular representative of the Republic of Indonesia, which officially represent, fight for, and protects the interests of State of Indonesia. The Consulate of the Republic of Indonesia has the main task of enhancing diplomatic relations related to consular, economic, and socio-cultural matters, as well as providing service and protection for Indonesian citizens in Tawau. This is the working area of the Consulate of the Republic of Indonesia in Tawau, that is Tawau, Kalabakan, Kuna, Semporna, and Lahad Datu. There are 6 services that are provided by the consulate. First is the immigration system, where they serve the process of issuing Indonesians passport and travel letters, which are connected directly, that is online, to the immigration's data center, or called as Pustakim in Jakarta. Second services is the employment services. Consulate of Republic Indonesia is tasked with protecting the rights and resolving issues related to Indonesian migrant workers in the working area of Consulate RI Tawau. And the third one is the consular service. The Consulate of Republic Indonesia in Tawau is in charge of organizing consular service related to civil rights like the birth, marriage, accident, deaths, service of making certificates, and many more. The fourth one is protection services. The Consulate of Republic Indonesia in Tawau provide legal assistance to Indonesian citizens through the assignment of an in-house lawyer whose function is to provide legal assistance and defense to Indonesian citizens, and they also help to resolve cases of Indonesian citizens who have problems with employers, employment agencies, or other parties. The next one is the educational services, where the consulate seeks to develop educational service for Indonesian citizens in the fields in the working area of Consulate area Tawau. This is based on the MOU between the government of Indonesia and Malaysia regarding to permit to establish a community learning center, or CLC, to provide educational services to Indonesian children in plantations area in Sabah. Consulate RR Tawau also facilitated the empowerment of teachers from the Indonesian Ministry of Education and Culture to serve the educations of Indonesian children, and also support the repatriations of TKI children who wish to continue their education in Indonesia through processing in travel and immigration document and facilitating higher education service for them. And the last one is the description services, where the consulate RR Tawau has the task of providing information services to Indonesian citizens in the accreditations of area of Indonesian's consulate in Tawau, cooperating with the media, and also organizing activities to increase cooperations with the media. This service also aims to build understanding from all walks of life at the border between the two countries towards good, constructive, and mutually necessary enabling relation. This is the consulate organizational chart. The Consul of Republic of Indonesia in Tawau, or the leaders, that is Ibu Heni Hamida, or we call it as Ibu Consul. And under that we have Bu Wulan as the head of economic affairs, Pak Emi Faisal, head of information, social, and culture affairs, that is act also as my supervisor in the consulate. We have Pak Calderon, head of Protocol and Consular Affair 1, Pak Iskandar, Protocol and Consular Affair 2, Pak Ferry, heads of the Immigration Affair, Pak Agus as the National Police License Officer, Pak Jul, heads of the Communications Officer, Bu Tami as the Treasurer and Administrations, and the last one is Bu Lastri as the heads of Chancery in the Consulate of Republic of Indonesia in Tawau. For the SWOT analysis, Consular area Tawau's strength is they have a great working system, staff with good personality, good security system, experienced staff, and excellent services. And their weaknesses is poor internet connections, less systematic appointment system for the immigration department, poorly maintained website, especially for the English and Malay version, and locations of the consulate still not being updated in the Google Map. And the opportunity is they have long-lasting international partnership or collaborations. They have international business venture, establishing relations with Malaysia in various sectors, and also the government policy. And the threat that is the negative comment on consular social media, national economy, Malaysians law or rules, and relation between the two countries, that is Indonesia and Malaysia. System that need to be improved in the consulate is their online appointment system, because a lot of people comments or complain about the system that is a little bit hard for them to apply, and also the quota of the appointment is little, that make the applicant needs to be fast to make the appointment before the quota fulls. And the second things that can be improved is the connection system. The connection system are pretty slow, and sometimes we cannot connect it, and this can affect the staff working system and delay everyone work, especially in the immigrations department. And the third one is the facilities for internship student. Since the consulate have a better environment, and I hope that the facilities for internship student or we call it as a magang in Indonesia, for a better place like comfortable desks, the computer, and other things that help the student to have their industrial training in the consulate. There are 4 skills that I learned for the 16 week in the consulate for my industrial training. That is the communication skill, where I communicate with people from every levels, includes the applicant, staff, heads department, and also the heads of consulate. I also learn to interact with all the people by doing work as a team and solve any problem together. Other than that, I also improve my editing skills, since I am responsible to make a lot of infographic, poster, banners, slide presentations, poster for an event, and many more that are going to be uploaded in the consulate social media, that is Instagram, Twitter, and also Facebook. And other than that, I also improve my creativity skills, where I need to find and things about new design that are going to be used in the poster based on the event or infographic poster that will attract people to read and see the information. This is some of the activities and events that has been held in the consulate. For example, the vaccination program for the CLC student, farewell event, morning briefing, Nuzul Al-Quran, and many more. And this is some of the poster, banner, announcement, infographic, and slide presentations that I have been made or designed for the consulate to be used for an event or uploaded in their social media. That's all from me. Thank you.